Hi everybody, this is Mark from Mark's Mandalas, and I got a quick tip I'm going to share with you on how to solve the problem of an unstable palette, in this case some rocks that you want to paint on but they wobble around. I got a small one, medium one, and a large one that I'm going to be painting on its side. You can see that they all wobble around. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this very quickly and very easily. For this tip, you're going to need a couple of things. One of them is going to be a Ziploc sandwich bag. And if they're really thin, I would recommend double bagging it. But for the example here, I'm just going to use a single bag. And then you need an ingredient. And in this case, I'm going to use sugar. But you can use something like quinoa. You can use rice. Any kind of small granular type item, but I'm just using sugar for this one. And for just a standard sandwich bag, you can see I've already I've filled this up and I emptied it out. I'm using about 1.25 cups of sugar. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, so I get this on the camera for you, dump this sugar in the bag, get the air out of there, zip it up, and we're done. And just to be able to demonstrate this for you, let me go ahead and I'm going to tilt this a little bit. And I'm going to show you before. Now there's still a little bit of air in here, which I don't think really matters, but it might pop the seal open. So I would try to get as much air out of the bag as possible. And like I said, you might want to double bag this. Just sometimes rocks have some sharp surfaces that might puncture the bag, and that could result in making a mess. But anyways, for this demonstration, I'm just using a single bag, and let me show you without a bag how easily this thing rocks, just pushing down. So if I'm going to dot some art on here with my dotting tools, I'm going to have to hold it stable, and it still might rock around. And this tip can be used for anything you're going to just draw on or paint on with a brush, or use dotting tools or anything pretty much. So I'm just going to set this on here, and you can kind of work it in so but you can see it might move a little bit, but it's not rocking around. And so if I just hold a couple fingers and I point and I kind of tap this, nothing happens. I'll move this out of the way. If I'm same amount of pressure, you can see it's rocking. And let me go ahead and show that this works with large rocks and small rocks. Just set that right on there, and doesn't move at all. And even with a larger rock, that, as you can see, it rocks back and forth. You set this on there, it's not moving at all. So I hope that this tip helps in your painting journey. And I have another video I'm going to be creating very soon, which is going to be showing how to clean Mark's Mandalas dotting tools. You can see I have some paint buildup on these tools. But anyway, that's for another video that will be coming up very soon. This is Mark from Mark's Mandalas. Until next time, rock on.